Hate her.
Simply Fun Kids Parties, take one.
Take one.
How are we getting this on there?
These guys don't mess around at their parties.
No, we don't.
No, we'll just get Katya in this hallway here. Do you want to go? Come on.
Because I don't
Ready?
Yeah.
All right,
What do you mean? Do you want me to go tell
You gonna make it? Wonder Woman, this is your first thing. Are you ready to rock?
Okay.
Are you
I am
for the
ready to
kids?
rock. And I like really
Matt,
cool
are you
people.
going to be inside here with us?
No. Well, no. I
Are
want
you
to.
here?
Yeah, I'll keep her coming. I want to interview her while we're.
Okay, I'm going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you tell her to come in.
Okay. So
I'm a little nervous.
are you a little nervous?
Well, I just want to make the kids happy and show them the truth
Listen
of
how quiet they
superheroes.
are. They're freaking out. We have the music for you. Stand there because I can't get enough. This is gonna be awesome.
All right, boys and girls, we got a surprise for you. Okay, we're going to count down.
So what are you gonna do? Go running through?
Should I do it?
Huh? It's like this.
When we say one, we might have a surprise.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome.